Hello guys! Good afternoon! Tapos na yung cut room natin. Cut room babies ko. Yeah. So, it's time to linis-linis and make this room beautiful. Okay, see you later!
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Ayan ang floor mat. Iba-ibang color. Tapos ito, pag hindi ito matanggal, bukas ay wow! So, sample lang yan. Ilagyan ko lang ganyan para ano siya. Makita ko lang na hindi nila kaskasin. Yan. The scratching board. Yan. The hanging board. The pupo there. The food in here. It's nice na. Okay, you go there. You go there. Yan. Turuan kayo mag-scratch-scratch. Come here. Ito, oh, may scratch-scratch. Wala, oh.